Welcome to another episode of A to Z Trading School. I am Sachin. In this, we are going to discuss about candlesticks. Previously, we have seen the different types of charts. The majorly used chart is candlesticks. So, in this video, we are going to study clearly on candlesticks. Let us understand about candlestick. The concept of candlestick came from Japan. That's why they are called as Japanese candlestick. The majorly used chart is candlestick chart because the candlestick chart clearly represents the open price, close price, high and low of a particular stock for a specific period. The candlesticks are mainly represented in two colors, one green and also red. The parts of the candlesticks are the colored part is mainly called as the real body. The upper wick is called as the upper shadow. The lower wick is called as the lower shadow. And in bullish candlestick, we can see here in green colored lowest part is called as the opening price of the particular stock at a particular time frame, and the upper part of the green color is called as a closing price, and the upper shadow represents the highest value it has made at a particular time frame. The lower shadow represents the lowest value it has made at a particular time frame. It will be same in bearish candle. The upper wick represents the highest value it has made at a particular time frame, and lower wick represents the lowest value it has made at a particular time frame. The difference here is lower part of the red color represents the closing price it has made at a particular time frame, and upper part of the red color represents the opening price it has made at a particular time frame. We can see the difference here that in green closing will be higher than the open, in red closing will be lower than the open. This is the main difference. We can understand this with an example. For example, if you have the stock, it has opened at 100 and it has made a low of 80 and it went till 160 and it closed at 140. Here the open is 100 and close is 140. It means it is called as bullish candlestick. Similarly, here in red candle open is at 140, it has made a high of 180 and it made a low of 60 and it closed at 100. The closing price is lower than the open price. It is called as bearish candlestick. It will be represented in red candle. I hope it is clear about the candlesticks parts and also how to measure open, high and close of the candlestick. If you want to learn trading from scratch, please contact this number and also join my free Telegram group for more updates. If you find this video useful, please like and also share with your friends and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.